Thank you for purchasing the Black Belt saw. The following information provides the essential guidelines you need to operate your saw safely and effectively. If you need to extend the power cord, select one of the following based on the length required. 12 AWG for up to 25 feet. 10 AWG for up to 50 feet. Do not share the electrical circuit with any other devices, as the Black Belt saw may draw up to 15 amps. To remove the blade cover and gain access for attaching the blade, first, disconnect the water feed line from the push-in connector. Simply push down on the hose and collar, hold the collar in place, and pull out the water feed line. Once the water feed line is disconnected, remove the 3 Phillips head screws securing the blade cover. After the screws are removed, lift off the cover. Alpha offers the Black Belt saw blade, a versatile general-purpose blade suitable for a wide range of materials, excluding glass tile, and the Silencer 3 for porcelain, designed to deliver exceptional performance on porcelain tile. If you need assistance selecting the most appropriate blade for your material, please contact our experts at 1-800-648-7229 for personalized recommendations. Always observe the rotation indicators on both the blade and the blade guard cover. Align these indicators carefully to confirm proper rotation and prevent any interruption in cutting efficiency. The Black Belt saw accepts 2 arbor sizes, 1-inch and 60 millimeters. For blades with a 1-inch arbor, install directly using the saw's flange and lock nut. For blades with a 60 millimeter arbor, use the reducer ring included in the packaging with the manual. Wet cutting blades require a consistent and ample water supply during operation. When cutting large format materials, water may run off the surface and reduce the volume in the tray beneath the saw table. To maintain optimal performance, ensure the water level remains sufficient for the submersible pump to deliver a steady flow to the cutting edge. When executing a miter cut or cutting very thick materials, you may not receive ample water at the cutting edge. When you are making difficult cuts, Alpha recommends adding additional water manually with a garden hose to avoid a lack of cooling capacity. Alpha always recommends letting the blade cut instead of forcing the blade to cut faster by the operator. If you continue forcing the blade to cut faster, the diamond cutting edge may get glazed, reducing the performance. When you keep cutting hard, dense materials, such as porcelain or glass tiles, you may need to redress the cutting edge of the diamond blade from time to time to make sure that you have a good exposure of diamond grit in good condition. Alpha recommends using the dressing stick to reopen glazed diamond blades. Part number 290006. When you cut thick material or executing miter cut, cutting depth would be much deeper than normal cuts. In this case, Alpha recommends using a step cut technique instead of cutting by one pass. The saw ability varies depending on materials, even though you are cutting same family of materials using the same blade. For example, the hardness and density of porcelain tiles vary depending on color, by manufacturers, and for the production lot. You may have to redress more often or less according to the materials. When technical assistance is required, please call in and book appointment for review using a video conference from your smartphone to our technician at Alpha. Thank you for watching this video.